Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the game and navigating directly to Garage then Depot. This gets you into the purchase interface. Make sure you have the required cash and any research unlocked so the buy option appears. Once done, tap the buy terminal icon on the in-game map at a city or near a busy stop to begin the build flow. You do this first to lock location options, because location determines passenger flow and route planning that follow. You now choose the terminal size and slot count. Larger terminals take more money but scale revenue. Then review upgrade requirements such as staff hiring, platform count, and any permissions or maintenance that will raise running costs. Make sure to estimate projected passengers per hour and how many routes the terminal can handle so you don't overcommit funds. Once you balance capacity versus cost, proceed to confirm purchase so the game reserves the site and starts construction. You finish by placing the terminal marker carefully to ensure good road access and proximity to high-demand stops. After placement, assign buses and drivers, create connecting routes, set timetables, and adjust fares so revenue begins flowing. Monitor the terminal for at least 24 to 48 in-game hours to verify performance. If passenger numbers are low, try the troubleshooting tip. Relocate or rebuild the terminal slightly, raise frequency, or lower fares to stimulate demand, and resolve placement or service issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.